Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is the fourth episode of chapter 5 exercise 7. In the previous video we discussed exercise 6 and this is exercise 7 on page 180. If you have this book physically available with you, you will be finding this exercise on page 180. In case if you don't have and if you need assistance in finding out the PDF format of this book, you can request me on the email WhatsApp number provided. I can provide you on WhatsApp or email also. This is the exercise that you will find in the book, exercise 7. In the first part, from question number 1 to 28, it's being asked to make X the subject, while from question number 29 onwards till 50, it is being asked to make K the subject. I have selected a few questions that were a bit tricky. So these are the questions. The difference between this exercise and the previous ones, that in this exercise, square and the square root operation is going to be discussed. If you get a question like this, you can see you need to remove this radical sign. So the opposite of root is always square. So we are going to squaring both the sides, and this square is going to be cancel the root. So x is equals to 4. Now question number 6, you can see radical sign. We need to remove this to have opposite of root. We have operation of squaring both the sides. So this square is going to be cancel the root. So x minus e equals h square. That means x is equals to h square plus e. This is your final answer and you'll get full marks. Now question in which both the sides have a square root. So opposite of square root is always a square. So I will write this one once again, and I'll be squaring both the sides to remove the sign of radical. So finally you will get ax plus b equals d, and I need to have x as a subject. So d minus b, and x is going to be multiplied by a. So opposite side it will go and divide. This is your final answer. When it comes to question number 18, one side it has a radical sign, other side is a square. So we are going to remove this sign of square root, and the way is to squaring both the sides. So if both the sides are squared like this, so this square is going to be cancel the root, and x minus d is going to be equals to a power 4, and x will stay here, and a power 4 plus d is going to be your final answer. When it comes to question number 29, it says to make the k subject. So k is going to stay here, a is dividing, other side it will go and multiply with t, and k is going to be here, and at divided by z. This is going to be your final answer. When it comes to question number 32, need to remove the sign of square root. We are squaring both the sides. If the question is in this format, always remember the opposite of square root is a square. So squaring both the sides will cancel the root, and you will have k square minus 4 equals 36. That means k square equals 36 plus 4. So k square is going to be 40. That means k is equals to plus minus under root 40. This is going to be your final answer. When it comes to a question like this, 2 is multiplying with the radical sign. So the easiest way is to make something like this, equals 6 divided by 2, because 2 is multiplying other side. This side it will come and divide 6. So you will have under root k plus 1 equals 3. Now we are going to square both the sides, and sign of square will cancel the root, and k plus 1 equals 9. That means k is equals to 8. Now on one side there is a square root sign. We are going to use the square function, equals n. Squaring both the sides will cancel this square root, and you will have m over k and n square. And since we need k on one side, so m is divided by k, other side it will go and multiply by n square. So finally you will have k equals m over n square as an answer. Question number 41, squaring both the sides will give me a square k square equals t square. I'm not doing that operation to save time and for better understanding, because squaring this and squaring this will cancel these two guys. Okay, I'm not doing that. Now a square equals t square plus k square, and a square minus t square is going to be k square. And if we need to find out the value of k, we are going to take under root this guy, and make sure to use plus minus whenever you have a square root sign. When it comes to question number 43, 2 pi is multiplying, so other side it will go and divide. K plus t equals 4 over 2 pi. Now you have under root k plus t equals 2 over pi, because 4 is going to be cancelled by 2. Now squaring both the sides will give you something like this: k plus t equals 4 over pi square. And now 4 over pi. Now we are going to square both the sides and get rid of radical sign. So k plus t equals 16 over pi square, and it's going to be k equals, actually it's a 4 over pi square minus t is going to be your final answer. Now squaring both sides will give me something: a k square minus b equals c square. A k square equals c square plus b, and k square equals c square plus b over a, and that means k is going to be equals to plus minus under root c square plus b over a. This is going to be your final answer. Now comes question number 46. A is multiplying here, other side it will go and divide. So k square minus x equals b over a. Squaring both the sides will cancel this root. So k square minus x equals b square over a square. Now I will bring k square minus b square over a square equals x. This is going to be your final answer for this question. And now if we need to find out x square, in this question, m over k square, that means k square is dividing, other side it will go and multiply with a plus b. That means m over a plus b equals k square. That means k is going to be equals to m over a plus b under root plus and minus. Thank you very much for watching. Very soon I'll be uploading the next session of this. Thank you very much once again.